Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can message someone in the SoloLearn mobile application. So let us begin. Launch SoloLearn, log into your account and tap into Profile in the bottom right. Next, here in your profile overview, tap into either followers or following. And here for that demonstration account, I will go for example with the user I'm following here, tap into the given username. So let me go with SoloLearn. And after that, okay, you can message SoloLearn, so I can go with the other user. And here next to the follow button, you will see the message button. Tap into it. And after that, as you can see, you will be asked to activate your account first. Now, to do that, guys, you will need to follow the activation instructions you've been sent to the associated email address you signed up on. Send a verification code for your account to confirm your sign up, and after that, that option here, message, will be unblocked so that you may tap into it and send the given user a message. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.